The next problem related to RL circuit again. A coil takes a current of 2.5 amps when connected across 250 volts 50 Hz mains and consumes 400 watts. Find power factor, resistance of coil, inductance of coil. This is the given problem. They given indirectly, the direct answer is not given. The power factor we have to calculate, resistance we have to calculate, inductance we have to calculate, but they given current. It is quite opposite of previous problem. That is V equal to 250 volts, I equal to 2.5 amps, the current of the circuit F is 50, power is given as 400 watts. From that we have to calculate cos phi RL, resistance value, inductance value we have to calculate. This is the impedance triangle that we have to remember. Impedance triangle, R is adjacent side, XL is opposite side, Z it is not N, it is Z is hypotenuse. For the given data we draw the circuit. First we have to calculate power. From the power we can calculate power factor. The power in single phase is VI cos phi. This we have to remember. The formula for power in single phase is VI cos phi. VI cos phi. Whereas in three phase root 3 VL IL cos phi. From that power factor we can calculate cos phi equal to P by VI. V already given, I already given. From that we can calculate 0.64 lagging because inductive circuit RL. If C is there, then if XL is greater than XC, then it is lagging power factor. If XC is less than, if XC is greater than XL, then it is leading power factor. Next, second one, what they given, resistance of the coil. Resistance of the coil we have to calculate. To calculate resistance, we have to find impedance. From the triangle we can calculate V equal to IZ. From that Z equal to V by I. We calculated as Z as 100 ohm. 100 ohm we calculated. Later on, cos phi we can calculate. Cos phi already given 0.64. Cos phi equal to R by Z. Z cos phi is called as resistance of the circuit. The Z cos phi is called as resistance of circuit. Whereas XL equal to Z sin phi. From that, if you apply the cos and sin for this triangle, from that we can calculate R equal to Z cos phi. That is Z is 100 ohm into cos phi is 0.64, that gives 64 ohm. Similarly, if you want inductance of the circuit, R sin phi we have to apply. That let us we see the answer. Or else you can calculate by using this impedance triangle, that is Z equal to square root of R square plus XL square. From that XL we calculate. What we calculated? XL. From the XL we can calculate inductance. XL equal to 2 pi FL. From the formula, by the inductive reactance formula is XL equal to 2 pi FL. From that we can calculate XL by 2 pi F gives inductance. Like that we can calculate the resistance value and inductance value. It is the second problem. First we calculated from the power factor we can calculate. From the power factor we can calculate inductance, resistance. How we solved. These formulas are very important. Simple formulas that if you can remember, what we have to remember, only impedance triangle. From the impedance triangle we can calculate resistance, reactance and inductance also if they given power.